And here we go, Nathan's first Thanksgiving. Listen for the snoring. Is he a classic man or what? Nathan has had some turkey. And now, at 20 till 7 p.m., earlier than bedtime, he is having turkey effect as he sleeps. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Nathan's first Thanksgiving.